This Reid Real Estate property video is presented by Pam Merker. Brilliant gem by the creek in Quant community of Tahuya. Home features 2-bedroom 3/4 bathroom with 2 sitting areas and shower. Open floor plan to the kitchen and nice size front room. Laminate hardwood floors throughout the home are gorgeous and easy to care for. 2 sheds to have as your workshop. One has a ramp that goes into the oversized shed with roll-up door. Metal carport to keeps vehicles and boats dry. Grounds are level and gravel with a beautiful fire pit in back of the home and listen to the creek. Raised beds for gardening and growing flowers. Don't forget the herbs. Also, a private community beach for the homeowners with picnic area for fun gathering comes with a boat launch to go fishing and shrimping or sit back and enjoy the saltwater. For more information, review the details below or contact Pam Merker at 360-649-7662.